Alright guys, I had a few people comment about the blinkers and the LED strip that I used on the bike. So I'm going to show you which ones I bought and talk about how I put them on and installed them. And let me show you a little demonstration. So the fronts, are just a little stick-on LED strip. I'll put on the forks. You got a little zip tie built into the back of them and 3M adhesive behind them. You know, I bought them off of eBay. $9 shipped. And they are super bright. They are brighter than the factory blinkers actually. And I didn't like the way this little cowling right here underneath the headlight that housed the blinker brackets looked. I like the cleaner look of the fork setup. I think the headlight flows a little bit better, but your wiring for the blinkers is tucked underneath there. And, you know, super easy install. Now for the back, I know Pasima and I believe Low and Mean sells these LED light strips. I don't, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe they're around $150 to $200. But you can get, let's see. Okay. Anyways, I got the rear LED strip off of eBay. It was $66, $12 shipping, so $78. And I'm pretty sure it's the exact same one from Revo Cycles. And you do have to take off a considerable amount of more to install it. The seat, the rear seat cowl. The headlight cowl, tail light trim cowling underneath there. But it comes with a brace. And you do have to trim off your factory tail tag holder. And once you get that trimmed, you can mount that flat and flush with the back. Let me show you the different settings. Right now it's on hazards. That's the left blinker. Right blinker. And that is the running light. Now you can wire the strip up to your rear brake light as well to get signal for a brake light, and it will flash a couple times and then stay lit. And but it will override the turn signals, and the factory tail light is plenty bright for me. I wanted to keep my turn signals on because I brake while I'm slowing down. Well, of course everybody brakes to slow down, but anyways, I have my turn signal on normally when I'm slowing down, you know, for a turn, and I wanted people to see that. And so I decided not to wire that one in. So that is the lighting so far on the M109. I actually like the halogen headlight. You know, it complements the metallic copper stripe that runs along the paint scheme. Instead of putting a bluish LED one in there, I feel like it would be a little out of place. But I will find a way to wire in the high and low beams together So both of them are on at nighttime. Instead of the low beam shutting off when you hit the brights. You know, for a little more light at nighttime. And so